The ASC, it stands for Academic Success Center, and it's a super nurturing community of just like, sometimes we don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna work through it together and get smarter together.
I feel like at other schools, tutoring places can be seen as not the smartest people, like people that need extra help. And I think at Prep, the ASC is kind of seen differently. And it's in a lens of it's okay to get help. You feel wanted and you feel like you wanted to be there. Yesterday, I was in there studying calc with my whole entire calc class because we had no idea what we were doing. But we figured it out together and people were there to help us, which I think is great.
Whether you're the top student at the school or the lowest student at the school, or you have a learning difference, you can come, sit down, and get the help you need to find the success you want. We have trained student tutors and we have teacher tutors.
I've asked for help frequently with my math classes, with my English essays, and it makes your quality of work and how you take your tests, it drastically improves that. But then on the flip side, helping those that could use your help, it brings everyone up to the same level.
Asking for help, you got to be vulnerable. And I think that's something that takes courage to do. You know, I'm not brilliant, I need help. And I think that is what Prep has given me 10 times over. Every time I need help, I never feel afraid to ask.
In our current Academic Success Center, we're all in one room. So if I'm helping a student on one side of the room, unless I'm absolutely whispering, everyone in the room can hear. And we had talked for 5 or 6 years about adding on to the current ASC. So I was just sitting in this library during one of the faculty meetings, and I was looking at how the space was used, and I saw these pillars all over the place, and I thought that we could use the space better.
We're not talking about building a new building. We're talking about maximizing the spaces here.
We went out, found a grant, the Wiegand grant, to help fund the ASC LRC portion of this project. And the more we thought about it, the more we thought, well, let's just repurpose the whole library. So imagine walking into the front doors of Gonzaga Prep, and the first thing you're going to see are 2 curved walls leading to the main entrance of this new Student Support Center. You're greeted in the Murphy Library. The whole library will be a different experience than our current library. Think bookstore vibe, much more inviting. And then on the east wall, there will be another curve, get ready for it, a blue curved soffit echoing and mirroring Faulkner Hall over at the gymnasium that says Academic Success Center. And then on the south wall, another curved blue soffit announcing, if we can afford to do it, a Mission and Ministry Center. And walking into that and all of those services in one place with a commons area that students get to hang out in during the school day or after school, but also a place where they can have meetings, work on projects, get ready for retreats, and so on and so forth.
At the heart of what we do at Gonzaga Prep is our mission. And what's really exciting about the second phase of this project is right down the center of our campus. You're going to see what we value most about our graduates. Intellectually engaged, religiously alive, loving, committed to justice, and open to growth. These are the spaces that fulfill the Jesuit charism and the profile of the graduate that makes Gonzaga Prep different.
You know, you hear about community and all of these things, but this would be a visual representation of that. I'm imagining walking into the Ministry and Mission Center, seeing giant vinyl prints of kids on retreats or on a community service project outing, and really understanding what Gonzaga Prep is all about. It's going to make us different from any other school because this area that we're building, frankly, doesn't exist at any other high school. The Mission and Ministry Center, the Academic Success Center, other schools don't have anything that's even remotely close to that. And if we can pull this off, I think it's going to not only draw more students to Prep, but the students here are going to have a deeper, richer experience.